Earthquake. Earthquake, also known as tremor or trembler, is the result of a sudden release of energy in the Earth's crust that creates seismic waves. Causes of earthquake. If area affected is heavily and has infrastructures. Stresses due to movement of major and minor plate or tectonic. The first effect of an earthquake is considerable damage to property and losses of lives are likely happen. Number 2. A portion of Earth's surface may sink, rise, open up, and be displaced. Volcanic eruption. Volcanoes are mountains, but they are very different from other mountains. They are not formed by folding and crumbling or by uplift and erosion. Volcanoes are built by the accumulation of their own eruptive products, lava, bombs, crossover ash flows, and tephra, airborne ash and dust. Types of volcano. Cinder cones are the simplest type of volcano. Most cinder cones have bowl-shaped crater at the summit. Cinder cones are numerous in western North America, as well as throughout other volcanic terrains of the world. Composite volcanoes have a crater at the summit which contains a central vent, or a clustered group of vents. Lava either flows through breaks in the crater wall or issues from fissures of the flanks at the cone.
It is built almost entirely of fluid lava flows, domical shape with a profile much like that of warrior shield. They are built up slowly by the accretion of thousands of highly fluid lava flows called basalt lava that spread widely over the great distances and then cool as thin, gently dipping sheets. This is the description of the shield volcano.
It is a form by relatively small bulbous masses of lava to viscous to how on great distance. A dome grows largely by expansion from within as it grows its outer surface, cools and hardens, then shatters spilling loose fragments down its side. Typhoon comes from a Chinese word, means big wind, also known as hurricane in Australia. A natural phenomena that's extremely powerful winds and torrential rain enfolding. Structures of typhoon. The eye of typhoon is normally circular in shape and may range from 3 km to 370 in diameter. Weather in the eye of typhoon is normally calm and free of clouds. Effects of typhoon. Causes sea large waves, heavy rain, and high winds, disrupting international shipping and causing shipwrecks. Strong winds can damage or destroy vehicles, buildings, bridge, and other outside objects. Crowded evacuees in shelter increase the risk of disease propagation. Large areas of standing water cause flooding, lead to infection, as well as contributing to mosquito-borne illness. The PAGASA, or Philippine Atmospheric Geophysical Astronomical Services Administration, is the responsible for observing and announcing of the weather. This presentation is presented by the students of Bachelor of Secondary Education, major in Biological Science 2-1, batch 2008-2009. Pamantasan ng lungsod ng Valenzuela.